Lemon iced tea, a great way to beat the summer heat. Hi, this is Rick from Aerista. I'm the creator of the award-winning Aerista HOT Brewer, helping you make perfect tea smart and easy. Today, I'm going to show you 2 ways of making great tasting lemon iced tea using Aerista. So let's start. So here are the ingredients for making fantastic lemon iced tea. We have the lemon slices, some syrup, some ice cubes at the back, and most importantly, the tea. Here the tea are Aerista Ceylon black tea pouches. They're good for making milk tea, iced tea, or regular black tea. Or you can use your own black tea as well. Okay, for the first method, we're using the cold brew function of the Aerista HOT Brewer. First, you add 2 cups of water, and then put the pouch inside the infuser at the top, and properly close the lid. Turn on the brewer. So now it's at cold, and just press start. So what happens is, during the cold program, it will circulate the water at room temperature. So we'll let it run. Okay, now the cold brew is done, so it's ready to serve. Now because it is brewed at room temperature, it's cool to touch, and we don't need to add as much ice to cool the tea down. So let's pour. Add as much sugar, syrup, and lemon slices as you want. Okay, now we're using the hot brew function to make iced tea. First, get your tea bag, put it inside the infuser, and close the lid. Turn on the brewer, go to black, and start. Okay, now the tea is done, so we are ready to serve. Since we're using the black brewing program to make the tea is stronger and hotter, so we added more ice cubes. So let's pour. Be sure to click on the subscribe button below so that you won't miss our Aerista videos and recipes. Cheers and have a great brew!